Hey, this is Laurent Aliav, and today we're going to be discussing, should you amend your trust, or better yet, should you restate your trust? Well, first off, we should talk about what the difference is between an amendment and a restatement. An amendment is a small change that we need to change in your trust, and we make it's a really small document, and it will amend it and change your trust. Now, a restatement is a complete redo of your trust. So you don't care about anything previous to this. You want to make a brand new trust with the old date of that trust. That's called a restatement. And the reason why you would do a restatement over an amendment is that it's a lot cleaner, and it also takes into effect all the new laws and all the new provisions that we have without having to depend on older language. So many trusts are done in the 90s, 2000s. They should probably be restated automatically. Why is that? It's because the law has changed drastically, and the type of trust, especially for married folk, that was given back in the day does not really help you these days with the new tax laws. And we're talking about specifically estate taxes, because the estate tax law has changed so drastically since the 90s and the 2000s that almost all the former AB trusts are not necessary at this point, and you should really get it checked out and make sure that that is something that you need to have in your trust. It could cause drastic effects upon death, where you need to spend tons of money to split the trust up for no reason. So that's one reason you'd want to change, and you most likely want to do a restatement at that time. Other types of changes come from you, right? Your life changes, your kids' personalities change, and you need to make changes based on your family circumstances. Once we listen to those changes, we'll be able to effectuate them into an amendment or a restatement. I get a lot of calls of why, I just want a small little change. Why can't I just do an amendment? Well, sometimes it's fine, and sometimes it's not necessary or actually cumbersome to your plan, because there are so many previous amendments, and it's just going to get muddy. And if one provision from one amendment doesn't follow the other provision from another amendment, and it doesn't correlate, it could cause chaos after death. And you want to be as clear as possible to avoid any confusion of any of the amendments. I see trusts that have been amended 9-10 times, and I'm like, why would you do that? Just do a restatement so that you're all clear and everything is there, and it's just a smoother process at the end. So those are the reasons you would want to amend or restate your trust. And please give me a call if you need any sort of amendment or restatement to your trust, and we can discuss what it is that we need to do for your family. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, your next step is to sign up for the webinar by clicking the link above. And if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and comment below. Be happy to address them. See you soon.